Tony, new tonight from the Target 12 investigators, an embattled Providence police officer will return to unpaid suspension after a judge ruled in favor of the city.
The city is appealing a three-member law enforcement panel's decision to reinstate Sergeant Joseph Hanley after he pled no contest to a simple assault charge. Target 12 investigator Alexandra Leslie joins us now live from Providence with the details.
Well, this case goes back years, but Sergeant Joseph Hanley's attorney tells me that despite the legal back and forth, that his client wants to be reinstated as a police officer. So let's go back all the way to February 2021. That's when Hanley was officially suspended without pay after he was found guilty of simple assault at a bench trial. Hanley was seen on camera punching and stepping on a suspect in handcuffs. He appealed and went to Superior Court where a mistrial was declared. And before a third trial could happen, he pled no contest to simple assault, and a judge sentenced him to 1 year of probation. Earlier this year, Hanley took the next step and went before a three-member law enforcement panel. He was the last officer who had a case under the Law Enforcement Officers Bill of Rights, or LEOBOR, before the law was reformed. In July, that panel found Hanley guilty on certain administrative charges, but said he could resume his job as a sergeant after a 45-day unpaid suspension. The city appealed that decision and today argued that Hanley should not return to the job until the appeal is ruled on. Ultimately, the judge sided with the city, meaning Hanley will go back to unpaid leave pending the results of the appeal.
Well, we're disappointed. I think the court felt that the safest thing was to maintain the status quo until the appeal. The appeal could be heard, and that'll take place later this fall. He most certainly would like to get reinstated and finish his career as a policeman.
I think it's important to just remember that you took an oath to protect and serve, and that comes with a huge responsibility. Listen, we have the authority to take somebody's life, and as you've seen around this nation, cases have happened, and whatever happens in Providence is going to affect Minneapolis, Ferguson, New York, and so we have to keep that in mind, that our men and women need to understand that when you all go out there to do this job, you have to do it in a professional manner.
Now, Hanley himself was not in court today. He will get roughly a week or so of back pay after an emergency motion was ruled on by the judge last week. But again, he is going back to unpaid leave. We're expecting this case to pick up again sometime in mid-October. For now, live in Providence, I'm Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.